Hi students, this is Miss Lucero. Today we're going to continue our lesson on interdependency, how plants and animals depend on one another. So today we're going to focus on a food chain, and I know that we read these pages last week, but I really want to get into depth on talking about food chains. We're going to be exploring how to draw a diagram of different food chains from different environments. So we're going to get started. The title is Eat It Up. You will notice that this is a photograph, so this is a nonfiction text that is going to inform us about, you guessed it, food chains. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and read the title, Eat Up. So the title helps me understand that something is going to be eating in this food chain. Let's go ahead and start to read. These pictures show a food chain. A food chain shows how energy moves from plants to animals. Follow the arrows. Look at how living things depend on one another in a lake food chain. So you're going to want to start your title here, Food Chains, May 4th. And then I want you to write the page numbers that we're going to be working on. Then I want you to write lake food chain. And this diagram is going to show how energy flows in a food chain. So if we look at the picture here, this might not be very clear, but this is the sun. So every food chain, as we talked about last week, begins with the sun. It's our main source of energy here on planet Earth. Now the sun gives energy to, here we go, this is the water plants use sunlight to make food. So you can see these water plants. So this is maybe like, I would say, a type of algae. It's kind of written weirdly, but this is how you spell algae. If you want, you can color this green and you can color this yellow. So algae, we're going to continue and see. The turtle eats water plants, okay? So you can go to draw a turtle. I can draw the shell, the head, and some feet. Turtles have probably like web feet though for water, but this is just for a diagram. We're gonna write the word turtle. And then finally, an eagle eats the turtle. So we can draw the eagle. He has kind of a sharp beak for eating animals. And his head kind of goes like this. I see that his wing comes out. And he has back feathers. Now he has another wing coming out this way. And he has two legs, very strong legs with claws. And let's write eagle, E-A. Remember that this is not, this letter here is E, but it doesn't make the E sound unless there's two vowels. So here we go, eagle. All right. And we need to draw an arrow. And then I want to write a few sentences. So the sun gives energy to the algae. And that's my number one sentence. The algae gives energy to the turtle. And the turtle gives energy to the eagle. And this is a food chain. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to do the ocean food chain. So this one you're going to do by yourself. I'm going to show you the pages for that, and I'm going to go ahead and read them. So this is the page. I will be posting this on Dojo. It's page 340, at the beach. So the title shows me that I'm going to learn about something at the beach. There are food chains in many different environments. Look how living things depend on each other in a beach food chain. I can see that it's going to be about the beach too, because here's a photo. A beach food chain starts with sunlight and plants or plant-like living things. The plants or plant-like living things use sunlight to make food. So you can see the plants here. Okay. The krill, a kind of ocean animal, eats plant-like living things. And then here our rockfish eats the krill. So this food chain, they're just showing us 3. If you feel like, you can go ahead and choose another predator that might eat the rockfish. So this is going to be the one. And then tomorrow, after you do your diagram, I want you to do at least 3 sentences, the same as that we did, okay? All right. Have a great day. Bye.